Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria. Please join me today as my family and I continue our Italian tradition of making homemade jarred tomato sauce. So we put them through 3 washes and then remove anything that's bad, put it in the bucket, and put the ones that have been washed 3 times in a clean bucket here. Boil them.
Cook them up.
So when they're all soft, we take them out of there with that. And we place them in this bushel. And then this bushel, they end up draining all the water. You need a sheet or you need a cheesecloth. Let the water drain out. We've got it on the brick so it's above the floor. It's not right on the ground. And then we put them into a pot here.
Just put the clean water in there. Warm it up a little bit. And we start putting in the layers.
The water's hot.
we have a booster chair.
Yeah, put
We
the
have a
booster
shelf
chair.
booster.
How is it, Noah?
Good. I like this class.
When the
Is it good?
No, it's not mine.
I'll be here.
Just blow on it if you one piece.
I like it.
Fresh tomato sauce. We just made it today.